Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Venmo for claim reimbursements and expense documentation, full guide step by step clearly. To start, open the Venmo app on your mobile device. If you don't have the app yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is open, you will see the login screen. Enter the email address or phone number associated with your account. Next, input your password in the designated field. If you've forgotten your password, tap on the Forgot Password link to recover it. After entering your details, tap on the Login button. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Venmo home screen. To claim reimbursements, navigate to the Pay or Request button at the bottom of the screen. Here, you can enter the username, phone number, or email of the person you're requesting reimbursement from. In the description field, clearly state the purpose of the transaction. For expense documentation, make sure to attach any receipts or relevant files. You can do this by using the Attach a Photo option if available. After entering the details, tap Request to send the reimbursement request. To view your previous transactions, tap on the menu in the upper left corner. Select Transaction History to review all past payments and reimbursements. If you need to download your transaction history for records, look for an export option in the app settings. For ongoing expense tracking, note down each transaction promptly. Make sure to categorize your expenses for easier documentation later. For any issues logging in, ensure your app is updated to the latest version. If you encounter any technical problems, consider reaching out to Venmo support via their help center. That covers the complete login and reimbursement process in Venmo. Now you're ready to manage your claims and document your expenses effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.